What's up everybody, I'm here today. We're going to unbox the Ausom SR1. On the box, we have a English menu, some tools, cable, even some reflectors here. Let's just take this thing out, shall we? Let me just organize it a little bit. These are what's all included in the box. Now, let's assemble it. Unlike other scooters I've seen on the market, they added one extra safety measure to the folding mechanism, which is this screw. You have two first, and then put it back. Okay, great. Screw it tight again. That makes me feel really safe, huh? And now to the handlebars. Okay, just like that. Alright, that's the reflectors. And lastly, okay. Alright, that's the assembly. It took me about maybe 15 minutes. The hardest part is this handlebar, but it's not that difficult. And for a more detailed review, please stay tuned on Geekbuying. Okay, now let's check some of the designs.